That's the sound of Ian's TVR Tuscan. Now, this particular model he has fully restored from the ground up, and he intends to keep this for forever. He intends to hand this down to his daughters as a family project, a family heirloom, if you like. This new season and new episode of Resto Revival, I will sit down with Ian. We'll talk about the TVR Tuscan, what he's done to it, why he likes it, why he spent so much time and money restoring this absolute beaut. This new series from Resto Revival is called Owners Club. I sit down with owners across the UK and talk about their rare, unique, interesting cars that they've lovingly cherished or fully restored. And we invite all petrol heads to sit down and watch these casual conversations with owners. And it's made for petrol heads by interviewing petrol heads. So subscribe now for Resto Revival, because the new episode with Ian and his TVR Tuscan is coming soon.